any grain, even the smallest bit of debris.
With this first-hand information from Earth, scientists are creating an experiment with conventional materials to see if anything that was unconventional at the time explains what these crews were picking up. The fact that the military got to this sample and removed the alleged debris has frustrated UFO researchers for years.
You filming?
They may have actually found some of the wreckage and hidden it in nearby caves.
What we're trying to do is see if there's any clues.
Hampton's house in Madison, a local rancher whose family has been here since the Roswell incident.
So there are other people who come out here looking for the debris.
Oh, yes.
Well, we'd like to take a stab at investigating this ourselves, and we're hoping maybe you can help us find some of these caves.
Well,